Nĩ muthako ũkoretwo ũgĩkũra na njĩra nene mathukuru-inĩ oro ũndũ ũmwe na irabu iria ciambĩrĩirie muthako ũyũ. Kũringana na James Otieno, mũtongoria wa gĩkundi gĩa Floorball 254 na ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩa kinyabara timu ya Kenyatta University, augĩte atĩ muthako ũyũ nĩ ũhungurĩte ituri-inĩ citiganĩte arĩa nĩ hamwe na mathukuru-inĩ.
I'm so glad at Kenyatta University that they gave me the chance to start a new sport within the university, and it's not a traditional sport, and through that you are able to build a team. KU as Knights, then we were finally linked with other people, and now we came to understand the history of the game, and the game was in Kenya by 2015, courtesy of an organization called Floorball for All. It's a Christian-based sports organization that pushes the word through sports, and Floorball to be specific.
Muthako ũyũ nĩ mũhũthũ kũmenya ũgĩkuruhania athaki atano na goalkeeper ũmwe, Otieno agĩtarĩria mamwe ma mawatho maguo.
Floorball has most indoor games. It's the runnings are the subs are running, which means it's the very first game. The official team list is usually 18 players. If you're traveling for any international championships, it's 18 players. So these 18 players, only 6 are allowed in the field per time. So one goalkeeper, who has also a goalkeeper's area, and then 5 infield players. So you can also switch the formation by removing the goalkeeper and bring in 6 infield players, and you play without a goalkeeper.
Ona gũtuĩka Kenya nĩ yahotire mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia All African Games mwaka wa 2019 harĩ timu cia Nyarari na arũme, thĩna mũnene ũrĩa ũrahĩnga athaki a gũkũra nĩ wagi wa federation ya kũmarũgamĩrĩra gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Advise the government that I think it's about time you also supported the new games. I'm not saying they leave the traditional games, but the new games like floorball, rollball, kabaddi, woodball, softball.
Is run by 3 people. So you have the chairman, the secretary general, and the technical director, all are male. So the technical director, the chairman, they are the ones who have the fixtures, they are the ones who give they are the ones who ref again, they are the referees, they are the technical bench, they are everything. So it's difficult to run a federation with only 3 people.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩ muthako ũhiũkĩtio na njĩra nene gũkũ kocha na muthaki James Otieno akiuga matukũ megũka Kenya nĩ gũkorwo na ligi ya muthako ũyũ oro ũndũ ũmwe na kũingĩra mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia kĩmabũrũri.
We need to have a united front. And I'm so glad that DRC is also joining in East Africa. So when Floorball gets its house together, they will be having at least 6 countries playing for only East Africa alone. Then look at Africa. So we're going to bring the heat on Europe. So Europe, we're coming for you guys.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩchimũ.